Gold technical analysis for the upcoming October 19th session. You can see during the Tuesday session we had a pretty wild ride in the gold markets. We still have this area here, and we are going to expand it. We've been calling it as low as 1675, but let's just go ahead and call it $1,700, which is keeping a lid on the markets. And you can see that the markets had actually fallen quite a bit during the majority of the Tuesday session. However, towards the end of the session, there were reports coming out of Europe that the EFSF, which is the European Bailout Fund, was going to get 2 trillion euros for its expansion to lever it up. And of course, anytime you're talking about that, you're talking about printing money. You're basically pulling money out of thin air, which is kind of a misnomer because money really is out of thin air, anyways. But anytime you print money, that drives gold demand up. So, since Europe will more than likely try to print their way out of this situation, any hints of a European crisis solution is probably going to be gold positive, especially if they go down the printing road, because that will devise a massive move into hard commodities. Technically speaking, the hammer's beautiful. It's an absolutely beautiful hammer, and it does sit down, not quite to the 1600 level, but we do have 1600 as an important level as we are bullish and buy on dips and everything until the 1600 level gets closed below. And at that point in time, we could consider selling, but honestly, the trend has been up for 10 years, for over 10 years actually. So, knowing that, it's very difficult to sell gold anyways, and we simply wait for a daily close above the highs on Monday, which is the bar before the one on Tuesday, which gets us buying and probably running towards the highs yet again. The $2,000 mark was missed by about $60 at the highs, and it sounds like kind of a stretch from here, but it really is only about $340. And the way gold's moved over the last couple of years, that can happen pretty quick. So we are willing to jump on board as long as we can break the Monday highs.